Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, Norton remove, and reinstall tool automatically opening. Right-click taskbar, click Task Manager. Click Startup tab. Click Norton Download Manager. Click Disable. Right-click Norton Download Manager. Click Open File Location. Click Public Downloads. Delete Norton folder. Close and restart system. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.